guys, what's up? Welcome back. So today I wanted to go into a detox that I've been doing. So I'm going to take you guys through the type of detox that I'm doing, the reasons behind it, what I'm eating, and what effects that I'm having already. I'm doing Dr. Bobby Price Herbal Detox. You can do either a 14-day detox or you can do the 28-day detox. So I'll get into all of that in just a moment. So my why is I suffer from extreme migraines. I've been going through sluggishness and bloating, and I just really wasn't sure what was going on. The story behind my migraine is I started getting headaches when I was very young, like around 9 or 10 years old. And by the time I reached my teens, I was pretty much getting full-fledged migraine, unaware of what they really were. I just thought that they were headaches. So my migraines were just like really classic migraines. They would be so bad I had to sit in a room, a dark, cool room, no TV. I didn't want any sound. I didn't want any light. And just recently, within a year or so, they've gotten much, much worse. I've always had an aura, and if you don't know what an aura is, then that you can see the zigzag lines. In my case, I see that, and then I have like blocking. So, or what I call blocking. So part of my vision will be kind of blocked out. I mean, like if you put your hand like here or there, you only have part of your vision. So I've always had that pretty much. But I started having these symptoms where the migraine would be coming on and I wouldn't be able to really express myself. Somebody would ask me a question and I would not be able to formulate a sentence to respond. And when it first happened, I was actually texting a family member and I couldn't even form sentences. I mean, my texting was just all over the place, and I'm just like, okay, what on earth is going on? That's when it started getting really bad. The reason for me deciding to do a detox was several weeks ago, maybe a month or more ago, I had the worst aura that I've ever had, ever. And the blocking out of my vision and the zigzag lines were so bad. I was in the shower, I could barely see. I was almost like blind at that point, and I didn't know what to do. Mind you, I do have a neurologist and she is wonderful, but kind of going through medicine after medicine, and they kind of work or they don't work, and I'm not really a big medicine taker to begin with. So I started thinking of more natural ways to try to combat the migraines. I decided that I would start trying to do meditation, working out more, changing my diet, and I was already vegan. I say vegan / plant-based, because I was doing like a lot of processed food, guys. And I don't mean like something is in a bag and on the back of it, it says dried peas, and that's all of the ingredients. I'm saying the processed food that I was eating was like a chemistry experiment. It just had all these names that I didn't know, and me looking at the bag and it looks so plant-based friendly, you know what I mean? And then I started paying attention to the ingredients, and I'm like, no, this is not whole food. This is not a food, and it's probably not good for me because I do suffer from migraines so badly that I just decided that I would do something different. What I decided to do, again, was to go with the detox that Dr. Bobby Price does. And I had started reading his book like last year, Vegetation Over Medication. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's the myth, lies, and truths about modern food and medicines. So this book was like totally eye-opening. I mean, it's got a lot of good information about, food. He talks about his transfer over to becoming plant-based, and it is just a really eye-opening book. So I started reading it last year, and I had already made the switch to stop eating meat again. And mind you, this is my second time to becoming a vegan. So the first time when I became a vegan, you know, I started like thinning down, and you know, I was feeling really good. And then I started putting things back into my diet. Like I would see Oreos, and Oreos are vegan. So I eat like 6 cookies, you know what I mean? And I was just like putting, again, all of these processed foods back into my diet. You can do the 14-day detox, or you can do the 28. And I'm doing the 28 detox because I just feel like my system needs a complete reset because the migraines were just so bad, and I just was not feeling, I wasn't feeling well at all. The first detox is the Parasite Candida cleanse, and these are all, they're herbal blends, and this is that. And the benefits to this cleanse is it kills intestinal parasites and yeast, restores healthy gut bacteria, cleanses the liver and kidneys, and detoxifies the blood and removes mucus. And then the second one, Tummy Detox Herbal Blend. This one alleviates bloating and gas, constipation, removes accumulated bowel waste, softens the stool, flattens the tummy, and burns belly fat. It's good for the hair, skin, and nails. You'll get 4 altogether, 2 of each when you're doing the 28-day one. And he has like the directions on how to get it. He sends you a card, and on the card it tells what to expect, the detox instructions, the detox tips, and then what to eat. So the card is like very helpful also, and it comes with, you know, either your 14-day or your 28-day package when it comes. So this is the mason jar that I use. It's an amber mason jar, and I'm just doing the first one. So that's the Parasite Candida, my cleanse. So you prepare them the night before, and you use 2 level tablespoons, like from your kitchen, not the measuring cup kind. And you put it in, and you put boiling water in, and you just let it sit overnight. And I keep mine, I let it cool down, and I put mine in the fridge. And take a nice little sip. And then I've made like little tiny orange wedges, just to kind of cut the taste, just to kind of cut the taste after. So this is my second week. So I started last Sunday, and today is Thursday. So it's almost going into my 3rd week doing it. So the changes that I've noticed is that I haven't had one single migraine. And I want you guys to know that this is not a sponsored video. So no migraines, no auras, my bloating has decreased, my energy has increased, I sleep better, man. I sleep like a log, and I haven't slept like this probably since I was a kid. I do get tired, and it's kind of strange because I'll get tired like at a certain time of day, but I still have energy. I just feel good, you know. It's just really, I mean, it's awesome the way that everything has changed. The first week, I did not work out because I was feeling a little tired still. The second week I started, and I worked out. I do strength training and HIIT, and it's been fine. I haven't had any issues with that. So guys, now I want to talk about how I've been eating. I've been eating like completely clean. And I use the card Dr. Price sends in the mail to, you know, figure out what to eat. And he has like a little list. And in his book, you know, he has like fruits and vegetables that's good, and grains and nuts and oils and things like that you guys can use. And he also has like recipes. I've been eating very clean. I'm gonna come on my next video and give you guys like what I eat in a day. So it's just basically fruits and vegetables, and I'll do some wraps, and I'm really just drinking water, nothing other than, you know, the detox, and it's been fine. The other thing that I wanted to mention is when I started looking for other people that did the detox, I noticed that some people drink the detox like really fast and right away. And I kind of stretch mine out. I'll do like the first one like in a 3 or 4 hour period, and then I'll rest for an hour or half an hour, and then I'll go right into it and do the second one. So it is like all day, and that is what Dr. Price suggests. But I mean, you know, everybody has their own way of doing things. I'm not saying it's right or wrong, but it's easier for me. Granted, it's not a sweet drink, you know what I mean? It's not like you're sipping lemonade, you know, it's not that, but you know, it's tolerable. So yeah, I just wanted to come on and share this with you guys and kind of give you my thoughts and, you know, my why as to why I'm detoxing. It's not for weight loss. I mean, even though that would be nice, you know, to lose some pounds and trim down a bit. But my main reason is because of the health issues. And then I have family members who are going through health issues, and it's just very concerning. So I just want to, like I said, kind of do a restart, and I don't plan to go back to the way that I was eating before. And I just want to focus and be healthy and happy. Just keep it moving. So guys, subscribe to see more beauty, hair, and lifestyle content every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Comment below, guys, if you're gonna try this detox, or if you've tried any detox in the past and how it's affected you. Be healthy and happy, and remember to keep pursuing your goals, plans, and dreams. You got this. Bye, guys.